Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the device so performance is predictable. First, disable low power mode and set auto lock to 2 minutes or never when charging, because sleep interrupts sessions. Next, close background apps and clear RAM to free CPU and GPU cycles. This reduces stuttering. Finally, enable Do Not Disturb or a gaming focus to stop notifications and calls. This keeps latency and distractions down. Once done, plug into power and connect Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet adapter for stable bandwidth and heat. Now optimize system and game settings to squeeze extra frames and responsiveness. In settings, choose the highest refresh rate available and within the game lower resolution or shadow quality if frame drops occur, because visual trade-offs often improve smoothness. Use a wired or Bluetooth controller for precise input. Make sure controller firmware is updated. Also, disable background fetch, app refresh, and unnecessary location services during play to free network and CPU resources. Once configured, relaunch the game and run a short test match to validate. Finish by stabilizing the session and knowing what to do if things go wrong. Monitor temperature and FPS with an overlay. If the iPhone overheats, pause and cool it. Thermal throttling reduces performance. If crashes, restart the phone, reinstall the game, or clear the game cache to remove corrupted data. For network issues, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a Lightning to Ethernet adapter and run a quick ping to check latency. If input lags, repair or replace the controller. These steps resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.